So currently I work at Goodman Field in New Zealand, which is New Zealand's largest food manufacturer. We're currently based here in Auckland, and at the moment I'm currently a product development technician. So my role is basically a starter in the food industry, so I'm learning the ropes at the moment and working with my team to kind of absorb the skills and experience that I need to move into the role as a food technologist. An average week for me would be pretty much either being in the lab, working on products, tinkering with new formulas, trying to create something that we want to launch into the market, or it could be that there's an ingredient shortage or something that we want to make more sustainable, so we are tinkering away, working on formulas, testing new ingredients from suppliers, and yeah, that's quite hands-on and practical. So myself, I like getting in there and being practical, so for me that's kind of my zone. How I got into food technology, originally I had gone to Otago University to study health sciences, but then it wasn't really my forte, so a friend was actually doing her third year of food science, and she was telling me all about how they were doing a year-long project working with a company to create a product, and I just found that whole idea quite fascinating, because growing up you don't really think about who's behind all the products that are sitting on the shelves at the supermarket. So yeah, it was quite mind-blowing, and then I wanted to learn more, and so I ended up changing degrees and going into food science. And it just, yeah, I've always enjoyed doing technology at school, but I didn't think there was actually a career in that. So I had taken the sciences, but food science is quite a nice hybrid of technology and science. Originally, going health science or even going to university for me was quite a big deal, because being Māori, I was first in my family to go to university, and then going through food sciences, I was able to take opportunities to do research with Māori plants, looking at medicinal plants and for food usage. So that was good, and it just inspired me more to kind of pursue food science, because there's not many Māori and Pacific students who take food science. So I kind of like that kind of navigating, paving the way for future students who might be interested. Like, many of them might not even know that food science is a degree that you can do. Going into a supermarket, I'm always proud to show my family, like, oh, that's what we've worked on, or I know who's worked on that. And even just seeing public response, random people in the supermarket just grabbing our products and going, yay, we've achieved what we've wanted, that consumers are interested and enjoy our products. So it's always, yeah, nice to see that our hard work is actually providing good results.